Hello everyone. Today's topic of our discussion is speed and velocity. I will be telling you the 6 difference between speed and velocity. First difference between speed and velocity is speed is defined as the rate of change of distance. Velocity is defined as the rate of change of displacement. When we say this rate of change of anything, this means that term has to divide it with t. What I was telling in case of speed, rate of change of distance means distance divided by time or distance upon time will be speed. And what I said in case of velocity, rate of change of displacement means displacement divided by time or displacement upon time. So what distance upon time will be speed, whereas displacement upon time will be velocity. Second difference, speed is a scalar quantity, velocity is a vector quantity. Speed S, velocity vector V. So what you can remember, SS and V. Speed scalar, velocity vector. Third difference, speed can never be negative or zero, whereas velocity can be negative, zero or positive. Fourth, speed is velocity without direction. What is the speed? Speed is velocity without direction. Velocity is directed speed. What did I say? Velocity is directed speed. Fifth, speed may or may not be equal to velocity. Okay? A body may possess different velocities but the same speed. Speed may or may not be equal to velocity, whereas a body may possess different velocities but the same speed. Sixth difference. Sixth, speed never decreases with time, whereas velocity can decrease with time. Speed of the body can never be zero, and while moving the velocity can be zero. What did I say in the sixth difference? Speed never decreases with time, whereas velocity can decrease with time. Speed can never be zero. If something is moving, you can take it in your case also. If something is moving, something has a speed, we can say it is zero. But velocity, suppose a body has stopped, then its velocity will be zero. I hope you might have understood the difference between speed and velocity. Thanks.